Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 12 different methods that I've used for storing stickers, and I think I finally found one that I'll keep for a while because it's really working well for me. So let's get started. I first started with the dollar photo albums that you could get at Walmart, and I don't even think I have any left to show you, but I'm not using those anymore. This was after years of making my own disc-bound books of gluing Happy Planner sticker pages to double-sided craft paper and decorating them with washi. I then progressed to an awful lot of these. Happy Scrappy was, one of the people that was making these. There were a lot of different ones. And it's basically a lot of sleeves that you could use to store your stickers. So the problem with that is it doesn't stay open, and I just didn't like using it. And at one point, I was using a ton of these. When you're buying chewing gum, you get these little plastic containers. So I don't use chewing gum, so I wound up tossing that, but getting a bunch of containers. And it fits a certain size sticker. These icon stickers fit in it perfectly, but you have to pull them all out and look through them. So, yeah, not excited about that anymore. I found these envelopes really inexpensively at Office Max and threw some vinyls on them, which I thought was cool at the time. And I could store things here and then also in the pocket. But it's not good for the majority of stickers that I have. When I got this one, I thought I finally found the right thing. And what these are some spiral bound books that have the sticker release paper in them. And I had a whole bunch of them, and I was moving my stickers into them in a coordinated way. And it was just really a pain to take all the stickers off the page and try to organize them. I just didn't see that as a good long-term solution. At the time, before I was a little bit more minimal, I thought this was going to be a really cute one. And it's from Villa Beautiful. But it was really hard getting the stuff in and out of there and just not practical for me. I did have these from Villa Beautiful, and these folders I do really like, and I was storing things in there. Those of you who watch a lot of my videos know that I get a lot of customs made by Scribble Sticker Co. And I was actually using a different font at one point, and I have a lot of those left, and I've moved to something a little bit simpler. Then another Office Max purchase. I got one of these. I think they're intended for checks. And I labeled the different sections, icons, words, days, months, rose-colored days and Sadie stickers, and my Scribble sticker lists and checklists. But you still have to take them all in and out to find what you want. Last year I was really excited when Villa Beautiful came out with these sticker books, and they had a sticker book, but it was pocket size, and I chose to use my own pockets. So these are just some Moterms. And what they did is she's got pocket rings, but they're wider than a pocket size, and they're very, very nice sleeves because they're double-sided sleeves, so they have a divider down the middle. And I really like that. And then she also had some sticker release paper, so, there's that. And I started to use that for certain things that I was using a lot. And I thought that might work for me, but I kind of found it was too much work. So I found what I think is the perfect system for me. They come with 1/2-inch discs in the mini HP size, but wider. And I'm a disc girl, so anything with discs I'm excited about. So, of course, I had to change things around a little bit. In this one, I put 3/4-inch discs, and here I have a lot of my typical word stickers where I do, assorted words, and this is the old style that she had. She then moved to the half sheets, and then there were some little ones, and then these are all white, so you have to kind of know what they are to read them well. These here, I have things that I use a lot, which are days and monthly, checklists, icons, and deco. And they go in and out of these sleeves. I can pull the whole sleeve out when I'm working with it, but I love the dividers. I just find it very easy to use. Recently, they came out with a small size, and these really fit all those little freebie sheets that you get with stickers, so I thought that would be kind of cute. And I have more of these, and I'm starting to move all the stickers that I'm really using over into these books. And what I do love about them is that they open flat. This one I have with the 1-inch discs, but it stays flat, and I can look at what I have. It's easy to use because I have them with the dividers, and I just think, at least for me, this is the perfect setup for my stickers. If anyone's interested in any of my old methods and any of my old stickers that I'm not using anymore, I can't even tell you how many I have. Please do not judge, but hit me up if you have any interest. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate a like if you enjoyed anything about this video, and I love to see your comments and questions below. See you next time around.